welcome back to our channel. For today we are going to go through our bedroom closet organization tips and tricks. Now my closet behind me, she's a bit of a mess. I'm not gonna lie, it's been a while since I've actually gone through everything, so I figured I may as well film the process and bring you guys along with me. So, it doesn't look like a mess when I open it up. I mean, still semi-organized state, but everywhere else is a little bit of a hot mess at the moment. I've got 5 different shelves on the side here that really need to be cleaned out. All of my clothes, I actually have bags, like garbage bags of clothes down here from my last clean out that I need to take to Goodwill, but I also need to go through all of my clothes again and do another cull. So that's probably the first tip of this video, is when you are deciding to clean out a space, not just necessarily your bedroom closet, but any closet, is go through your items and get rid of things that you no longer wear, no longer fit. That's a big one for people. I know for me, I've got a lot of skinny clothes still in here. Go through everything, get rid of things that are broken. Like you might have broken zippers that cannot be fixed. You might have holes from things from many years ago. So go through and give your closet a massive clean out. You'll be surprised how much stuff you will actually get rid of. Like for instance, I still have I have 5 bags from the last time I did a cull, and I'm going to make an assumption that I'm probably going to get another 1, if not 2 garbage bags out of that. Go through, give everything a massive tidy out. Now I kind of have a bit of a storage situation going on as well, so it's not just my clothes that I'm going through. I'm going through my bags, so things like my clutches, my handbags, my gym bags, my backpacks. I've got books, I've got like perfumes, shoes, I even have fitness gear down here. So we're going to go through and we're going to tidy all that up. We're going to see what we're going to keep, what we're going to donate, and what we're going to throw away. So make 3 piles. It'll make things so much easier for yourself. So let's get into it. Okay, there you have it. So basically separated them into 2 piles, so I don't actually have anything to throw away, which is good. So this is my donate pile and this is my keep pile. So I'm actually getting rid of quite a lot more than I probably thought I would, but I'm being pretty brutal. Like this dress, I absolutely love. I love this dress, but it's a size 8. And the only time I was ever that small was when I was really sick. And I just don't ever imagine being that tiny again. So we're going to donate her, and someone else is going to love her just as much as I did. So as you can see, there are all the bags that I already have to donate. I've got some shoes. So my closet, other than dressing gowns, because I'm keeping, she's pretty empty. And then we just have to tackle this side. So I'm doing this in 2 parts because that's another tip, is separating your tasks, because I think it makes things a lot easier. So we'll go through and we'll put all of our clothes back, and then we will tackle this side of the closet. Alright, so now that I'm putting everything back in, I'm a little bit of a freak when it comes to how I like my items set in my closet. Come up with a system that works for you, or you can use mine. It's really up to you. Go with what works for you. So I hang 90% of my clothes. So I do have drawers, but that's basically for things like my underwear, bras, sports bras, socks, things like that, because I only have 2 drawers and there's absolutely no way all of my clothes would fit. So I hang up everything. So I separate it into sections. Now, things like my going out dresses, so things that I have worn to like weddings and events and things like that, I tend to put towards the back of the closet because they're not things that I use every single day. So it's a waste of time having them right in my eye line because I'm not going to grab those. So I try and separate my things in that order. So the first things that I have basically right in front of me when I open up my closet are my tops, my t-shirts, and my pants. just because they're quick, they're easy, you can see them, you can grab them. I also color code everything, and I also have it separated into, I guess, categories. So I always have my t-shirts in one section and they're color coded. Then I have my tops, they're next to them, they're color coded. Then my pants, my jeans, gym pants, gym shirts. You see where I'm going with it. So I've got a bit of a system of what I use most frequently in front of me, and then things that I don't use every single day towards the back of the closet. And yes, everything is color coded because it just makes one look amazing. And it's easy for me to pick because if I know I need to wear a black top to somewhere, I can go to the black top section and I can see what I have available to me. All right, let's put it all back. So that is all done. So I've got my t-shirts, tops, business work pants, jeans, trackies, gym tights, which I have a lot of, and then gym shirts, jackets, jumpers, etc, etc, down the back there. I kind of go a little bit one step further with colors as well. So even though I said, you know, blacks, whites, greys, blue, I then sort of go like dark grey, light grey, dark green, light green. You get the picture. But that's just personally how I like to do it. You can do it too. It really doesn't take long to sort it out. As you can see, I made piles on the floor of my clothes and just piled everything up and then grabbed it in one heap and put it in. Makes things a lot easier. I've also just taken all of those bags out of the closet. So now in the bottom, I just have a like overnight bag, which I am keeping, and then I've got lights in there that I am selling, so they're fine just there. So now we are tackling the other side of the closet. Let me just explain, I guess, my system for this one. Let's turn the camera around. Okay, so, oh, sorry, a bit shaky. So I've actually organized this before. It's just gotten into a little bit of a mess. So as you can see, all of my clutches and bags and stuff are up there. So we are going to go through them. A lot of them have started to fall apart. So I think we might just do a bit of a cull. This is, I guess, like my beauty station and like my excess station and the books I want to read at the moment, so we'll go through that. And then these two here are my shoes, but you can see my other stuff has gone into that. And then down below here, I wanted to try and keep I originally was going to try and keep it empty, but I ran out of space in our spare closet, so then I had to put like these dumbbells and kettlebells and stuff down below here. Again, it just needs to be tidied up a little bit. So we're going to go through. I do need to go through my shoes now. My heels and stuff I'm going to keep because I don't really have a lot of them, but I'm obsessed with joggers, so we might need to cull some of those, I think. But let's tackle this. And then up here, actually, just really quickly, this isn't too bad. So this is just where my suitcases live. So I've only got two up there. We'll leave them. And then this, I think, is just like when I've gotten stuff, I've just thrown it up there. So we'll clean up that as well. Hopefully this has inspired you or given you some motivation to clean out your own bedroom closet. I know a lot of people at the moment in Australia are currently in a lockdown situation, so what a perfect time to go through your items and see what you can donate to people who may be a little bit less fortunate at the moment, and stuff like that. So you've got time, do it. Let me grab my clock. So this has actually taken me an hour and a half, which I think is pretty good. I'm very lucky that it was sort of already in a good state for me to grab. I still have to go through and put all of my donated clothes in a bag. hopefully that won't take me too long, and then I've just got like a little rubbish pile that's hidden where you can't see it. But hopefully, yeah, as I said, hopefully it's giving you some motivation, some inspo, some ideas, some tips if you're not sure where to start on how you can organize your bedroom closet. And it honestly, once you have it like this, it just makes it so much easier to keep it this way as well, because when you put your clothes away, you're not just throwing them in willy-nilly. You can see, oh, my t-shirts go here, oh, my gym pants go here. So yeah, but anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.